Max9 smartwatch has multiple dynamic watch faces and 3 different menu modes at the same time. You can choose one of your favorite styles according to your preferences. This is a powerful fitness tracker. The watch can support heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring. This watch also has a call reminder function and a message reminder function. You will never miss important calls and messages again. This watch even supports weather forecast, remote camera control, remote music control. You can use it when you are in the rain, wash your hands, swim. You won't be afraid of watch damage. This watch also has a large high-definition screen. Not only can you choose from dynamic watch faces, but you can also choose from hundreds of watch faces in the app that you like. You can even use your own photos or photos of your family as wallpapers. Of course, that's not all. It has many more powerful features worth knowing about it.